So today's video is going to be how I am going to fix this nail that I broke with builder gel. Since I was already fixing this nail, I went ahead and just used my nail forms and made my nails longer because it's almost Halloween time, so I want really long nails. But yeah, I broke this one. I can't speak today. Okay, forget it. At first, a couple of weeks ago, I made a video on how I applied my builder gel on all my nails. I took off all my builder gel and I redid it. I filmed it and it deleted. I have no idea how it deleted or anything. It just hurt my heart. So I took a week off from making a video because that just hurt my soul. And then I ended up breaking this nail. So I was like, okay, now I can make a video on how I repair this nail, extend it with the nail forms using TripleD's builder gel. So let's get right into it. Oh, okay, first you want to use a gel base. You want to use a gel base so that the builder gel will stick onto your nail nice and good. So that's what I'm going to do. And I'm going to put it in my cooker, my gel lamp, to cure it. I'm going to cure it for 60 seconds. This is the TripleD builder gel. I tried a bunch of builder gels, but I like this one. It's the oops. Okay. I almost forgot the nail forms. Where is my mind today? Okay. So here is the nail form that I have. I just have the Mia Secret. I got it off of Amazon. So what I do is that I bend it and I put it right on under my nail so it fit nice and good. I will pinch the tip a little bit. Push the sticky on the sides. Make sure that it's under my nail and make sure that your nail is, oh no, you can't see it. Make sure your nail is flush with the paper, with the nail form. And then that is how I put that baby on. Okay, how long is this nail? Okay, so it's about to the M. So let's get a big glob. So the thing with builder gel is that it moves. It will run. So if you're doing all your nails, I will flash cure for like 10 seconds after each nail just so it can make it hard so it won't fall over to the side when you're doing the other nails. So this will not sit right here. Okay. So I'm just gonna pat. I'm gonna pat it where I want it. I'll put it up one more. So to make it even with this one, it will be at the M right here, but I'm going to, let's see, I'm going to make it a little longer because you're going to file it a little bit. Oh my goodness, great, now I can say it. So I see that, okay, let's see, this will focus, please focus. Okay, so as you can see, there's a lump right here because I didn't get all the builder gel off of the my nail bed before I started doing this. So I'm going to put more builder gel right here to make it even. trick to get more of an apex. You can put your nail, your finger upside down and, let me see, and just tap it. Well, that's what I do. So this is how it looks right now. I'm going to cure it and take it out. When you think you have enough builder gel on there to where you can take this nail form off without it taking the whole nail with it, then you can take it off. So I break it right there because it had a perforated line, and then I squeeze the sides and it'll come right on off. So let's see. Let's try to make it closer. This is how it looks. Like that. So let's see if I want some more, or if this is how good I want it. I think that I want it a little bit thicker because these are thick. Once you're done curing it, it'll be sticky to the touch. I'll just grab some alcohol. I put it on a lint-free cotton, a lint-free wipe. And now it's smooth. Where's my nail file? So, woo, that was sharp. Just file it to match your other hand. So this is how it looks. It looks like this. So I don't know if I like it. I think I want a little bit more apex, like how this one has, and this one's just flat. So I'm going to go back in and add some more builder gel. So how you do that is, I'm just gonna take some alcohol and rub my nail and wipe it clean of all the dust that it has. So it looks like this. I'm going to add some more, there's a glare, add some more gel base, cure it, and then add some more builder gel. So now that the gel base finished curing is sticky, so now I can apply some more builder gel. So I think I want it right here, like this. So this is how it looks. I'm gonna cure it and I'm gonna show you how it looks after it's filed. To file more towards the bottom of my nail, because when I do my dip powder, I like it to not be so thick down here. I mean, obviously, but that's why I file more down here. So this is how it looks. Let me wipe it with some alcohol so you can see it better. This is how it looks now, and yeah, you saw how it was really short. I broke it. That was a bad break. Oh, I'm going to put some gel base and gel top coat, because when I do my peel base, I do it over the gel top coat. It makes it easier for me to pop it off. So now that I'm done with everything, I love to scrub my hands after, because I just put it through a lot because I was filing and everything. This is heaven. Blueberry cheesecake deluxe emulsified sugar scrub. Please don't judge me if I said that wrong. This is how it looks. It smells, oh my lord, it smells so good. I can't even, it literally smells like blueberry cheesecake. So I am going to take some and wash my hands with it, because why not? It smells so good. It's by Unicorn Magic. I swear all her products are amazing. I love this one, and this is an all-time favorite. If you watched some of my other videos, I always use Unicorn Magic Deluxe Cuticle Rescue. This is my all-time favorite for my cuticles. If you ever wondered how my cuticles look the way they do, even though I just like filed so much, it's this. This is my holy grail for my cuticles, and I love it. So I'm about to go wash my hands. So thank you guys for watching. Bye.